As you can see right here, I have my power washer and it's plugged into the wall. You can see that's the plug over there and it goes inside. I've just plugged it in. I've tried multiple outlets, but nothing is working. As you can see, if we just click on these top buttons right here, you can see this switch is still on. Now the on switch, there is a green light right there signaling that this thing still works. But if we go over here to this little power adapter thing, you basically want to look for a green light when you plug it in. That signals that there's still power and there's still a chance that it works. And first, you just want to reset your thing. As you can see, it will just like do a flicker, a stutter thing, and basically reset the switch on your power washer. In doing so, may allow it to work, but most of the time, these things get shot very easy from my experience. I've had 3 power washers. This is my 3rd one, and this thing usually goes bad, so you can pick up one of these for $15 on Amazon, or you can actually take off the screws and swap out which is what I would do personally, and that should allow you to actually just fix out. Also, you can actually use the switch underneath this if you take off all the screws on the side, and then there's a switch on the side that you can actually allow it to turn on. So none of those other basic fixes worked for me, but I found a fix that finally got it to work, and all I did was I messed with my hose's water pressure. Right now the hose is off, and basically want to leave it off and then turn it on and fidget with it a few different times. And once the hose is on, you can basically go back to your power washer like so, and you can actually just try to flip the lever right here and it will automatically start working, assuming your switch is on. Now, I don't know why it just doesn't turn on when I click the on right here, but that's all it took for me to get it to work. Just fidget with your water pressure, make sure it's plugged into a working outlet, both green lights are on, and boom, you should be back to normal.